Hi, this is Jarvis, and today we are solving the setting up the tree puzzle made by Leander for 123 Puzzle Me. Leander is the guy you see here doing absolutely nothing, like always. Time to look at the puzzle. Like many puzzles, it has 4 lines, and just 3 objects. A tree, a candy cane, and a star. Let's start with the top line. A tree, plus a tree, minus a tree equals 18. Doesn't look too hard, but, on top of the tree we see a star. So let's look at line 3 to find out the value of the star first. A star, plus a star, and one more star is 15. 5, plus 5, plus 5 equals 15. The star has a value of 5. Now we can do the top line. When I look at it quickly, it looks like the tree plus the star together must be 18. We calculated the star to have a value of 5, so the tree must have a value of 13. Not really. Have a look at the star on the final tree, it is mirrored. This makes it all a bit different. In the last object we minus the tree, but with minus a negative star. This minus it, and becomes a positive. So we have 3 positive stars, we have combined value of 15 and just one tree to count with a value of 3. This means the tree has a value of 3. Line 2 is easy. 3 candy cones have a value of 24, so one candy cone must have a value of 8. Great, now we have the value of all 3 of the objects. The tree has a value of 3. The candy cone a value of 8. And the star has a value of 5. Let's do the last line. Nice try, Leander. You will not fool us with the candy cone in the first field. It is clearly 180 degrees turned, so it must have a value of minus 8. The next one is more interesting. We need to have a good look. We see 10 times a candy cone, 2 stars and 2 trees, so that must have a value of 96. Wrong. Oh boy, the trick season has started. Let's look why it's wrong. Look at the tree. It has multiple layers. In fact, it has 4 layers, not just 3 layers. This means it must have a value of 4. The tree with 3 layers had a value of 3, so with 4 layers the most logical answer is a value of 4. Let's do the math again. 10 candy cones, plus 2 stars, plus 2 bigger trees equals 98. That seems to be right. Time for the last object, and again we see a tree. Leander will not fool us with the tree again, we already see it has 4 layers, so a value of 4. This is what we see. 5 candy cones, 1 star, and 1 big tree. 40, plus 5, plus 4 equals 49. Bam! In your face, wrong again. Oh yes, 2 candy cones are upside down, and have a negative value. We will count not 5 but just 1 candy cone. Easy counting, it will be 17. Wrong again. The negative candy cones have 2 extra stripes, 10 instead of 8. So the value isn't minus 8 but minus 10. Very funny, Leander. How can we ever have seen this without telescope? So, one more try. 2 times a negative large candy cone, 3 times a normal candy cone, 1 star, and 1 bigger tree. What will be the equation? Minus 20, plus 24, plus 5, plus 4 equals 13. We did it. Now we can calculate the final equation. We have the following values. Minus 8. 98. And 13 for the last one. Minus 8, plus 98, times 13 equals our question mark. And if you do that in the correct way, multiply before you add, you will get 1266. Yes, 1266 is the most logical answer of the setting up the tree puzzle. Okay, let's be honest, this puzzle had some tricks, but wasn't too hard, but still fun to solve. I hope you liked this explainer. Let me know in the comment box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This was Jarvis, time for me to make my holiday wish list and say goodbye. See you at the next explainer of another 123 Puzzle Me puzzle. See ya.